Welcome to Sammy's Auto House, your go-to spot for all things car-related. Serving Deerfield Beach, Boca Raton, Coconut Creek, and Pompano Beach, we've got you covered, from routine oil changes to complex transmission repairs. Need your brakes fixed? Or maybe a tire alignment? How about a quick AC repair service? Our expert mechanics ensure your car's in tip-top shape. Thinking of sprucing up your ride? We also offer body shop services that'll make your car look great. Got questions or need more details? Give us a call today for info.